In 4.10 practice challenge, it says two cyclists are riding toward each other along a road. So this question is very similar to our exit ticket and practice challenge, but we have cyclists and they're on a road. So at 8 a.m., they're 63 miles apart. So I have my road, bicyclist 1, bicyclist 2. They're 63 miles apart. They're traveling towards each other. And they start at 8 a.m. and they meet at 11 a.m. So to 11 a.m., I know that this is 3 hours. From 8 to 11 a.m. is 3 hours. If one cyclist rides an average speed of 12.5 miles per hour, so I've got 12.5 miles per hour. They're 63 miles apart, 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. So what is the average speed of the other cyclists? So first we have to solve for number 1. How far did number 1 go? If he went 12.5 miles per hour and he traveled for 3 hours, then 12.5 times 3. If I take that down here and solve, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. I have 1 decimal place. So bicyclist 1 went 37.5 miles. The hours cross out, and I'm left with miles. So if bicyclist 1 went 37.5, that means bicyclist 2 went 63 miles. Subtract 37.5, 0. So 0 subtract 5 I can't do. I'm going to borrow. 10 subtract 5 is 5. 2 subtract 7 I can't do. I'm going to borrow. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. 12 subtract 7 is 5. 5 subtract 3 is 2. Remember the decimal place. So bicyclist 2 went 25.5 miles. Now, that's not what it asked me. It says, what is the average speed? So I need to switch and say, okay, 25.5 miles divided by my 3 hours. So 25 divided by 3 goes 8 times. That's 24. 1 left over. Bring down the 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Remember the decimal place. So bicyclist 2 traveled 8.5 miles per hour, which gives me the answer. And just to be clear here, I'm going to say cyclist number 2 traveled 8.5 miles per hour. And then I'm done.